Thinking of an affordable home? Our team of expert engineers have put together modernity and creativity to give you an amazing comfort you deserve. This community provides all the breathtaking features and facilities you may think of. From the landscape, 24-hour security, internet connectivity, medical facilities, tennis and basketball courts, among others. Don't just dream it. Walk into Lifeline Properties office to make that dream a reality. We have flexible payment terms. Lifeline Properties fully wall-gated community is at Oyibi behind Valley View University. Call 0303-931-719 or 0241-538-336 or visit www.lifelinepropertiesgh.com. Lifeline Properties. Quality, affordable, comfortable.